Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to see print statement in Python. So first, what is print statement? Whenever we want to print something on the console or we want to print a variable value on the console, we use print statement. So let's look syntax. We can use print keyword, then parentheses, then we can put any expression or string inside parentheses, or we can also use with semicolon. We can use without semicolon or with semicolon, or we can use single quote, double quote, single triple quote, or double triple quote. Let's look some example. Print double quote welcome in Python classes. Second, print 4 per 6. It will print value of those. Let's look some practical example. Open VS Code. Write print single quote welcome to Python classes. Run it. Save this file and run it. It will print welcome to Python classes. We can also use double quote. So print double quote hello world. Now run it. Wait, we need to save this file again and again. Click on save, Ctrl S to save. Run it. It will print hello world. Now we can also use triple quote to copy above two lines and paste it. Use triple single quote, or we can also use triple double quote. Save this file, Ctrl S, run it again. It will print exactly the same as given. So why we are using triple quote and double quote or single quote? If we want to print double quote, so we can wrap it with single quote. If we want to print this double quote in between the string, we can wrap it with single quote. Run it. Okay, let me save it again. Save this file, run it again. It will print double quote. But if we try to put double quote in between the double quote, so it will throw an error. Save this file, run it again. It will throw an error, invalid syntax. So if we want to put double quote in between the string, to wrap it with single quote, or if we want to put single quote in between the string, like mm, how are you? So we can use double quote. Okay, let me save it again. Save this file, run it again. Okay, it will paste single quote in between the line. So why we are using triple quote? Triple quote is used to print multiple lines. If we are trying to print it in multiple lines, it will throw an error. Save it, run it. It will throw an error. But if we want to print in multiple lines, we can use triple quote like this. Save, or this also we can use in double line. Save this file, run it. It will printing the values. Okay, in multiplying. Look at it. Welcome to Python classes. Hello world. It will print in multiple lines. If you have any doubt, you can comment. Now, uh, let's see second thing. Python comment. What is comment in Python? Whenever we want to write something on the file and we want this line does not execute, I mean this line does not impact our code, so we can put comment there. In Python we have two type of comments: single line comment, multiple line comment. We can use hash for single line comment, or we can use triple quote for multiple line comment. So let's look some example. Open VS Code again, create new file for Python command. First print hello world, save it. It will execute Python hello world. But when we put hash in front of this and save this file and run it again, it will not print nothing. It will not print anything because we put it as a comment. Okay, so we can also use copy paste 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 paste. It will print multiple lines. But when we put triple quote surrounding them, it will print nothing. Save it, run it. It will print nothing. Thank you.